Instead of throwing out your overripe banana, why not make banana bread with it? This video will teach you how to make soft and delicious banana bread. Keep watching. So first you need your ripe bananas, and then we are going to peel them up. Then you are going to mash your bananas. You can use a masher, you can use a fork, anyone you have at home. It goes the long way. So you mash till it forms lumps like this. You don't want it to be too smooth. That's not the look we are going for. We want to see our banana in the banana bread. Then we are going to add milk for some razzle dazzle. Then we are going to break our eggs. For this recipe, I'm just using one egg. So going to beat the egg. Then we're going to add the egg to our mixture, our banana and milk mixture. Give it a little mix, not too much. Add your melted butter. If you have oil, beautiful, you can also use that. Give it a little mix to add vanilla flavor. Guess what will happen? You mix it again. And then we are going to prep for our dry ingredients. In a sieved flour, I'm going to add sugar, and then I'm going to add baking powder so that our banana bread will rise and it will be tender and soft. And then we are going to add baking soda. Baking soda also help in rising and also to soften up the banana bread. So in the wet ingredients, we are going to add our dry ingredients to it. Give it a little bit of mix. Please don't over mix so that your banana bread will not come out dense. Have you ever wondered why this is called a banana bread and not a cake? Who that thought? Let's add our remaining dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. So we're going to fold it in gently. So why it's called a banana bread and not a banana cake, to my own understanding and to the research I made while making this video, is because it is baked in a loaf pan. That's just it. And then we're going to add water to this mixture so that our batter will be dropping from the spatula, because a really soft batter will give you a soft cake. So, what do you think can be the reason why this is called a banana bread and not a cake? Because I don't see any difference in it. That's the only difference I know. If you know any other one, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you. So then we are going to grease our pan. Greasing the pan helps so that when your bread is ready, it will come out easily from the pan. But because it's batter we are making use of, I'm going to add a little bit of flour in it so that it will go around the loaf pan. And then I'm going to add my bread batter to this banana bread batter. You can see how smoothly it's coming down from the bowl. That's how you want your batter to be. So I'm doing this to even out the batter in the loaf pan and also to reduce air bubbles in the cake. Please, if you have gotten to this part of the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. So we are going to add cashew nuts or any toppings of your choice. For me, I prefer cashew nuts. So that's what I'm adding to it. It just makes the eating experience better when you add toppings to any of your desserts or any of your cake. Just try it and see, and you'll marvel to the deliciousness of it. I'm making use of a pot, so I'm going to preheat the pot on low heat for 5 minutes. Add it to it, bake for 30 minutes on low heat, and this is what you get after 30 minutes on low heat. Please, when you put an object in it and it comes out clean, that is how you know that your banana bread is ready. And you can see how beautiful this looks like. It was so yummy. Would you be trying this recipe at home? And did you even find it simple? Because it was actually very simple. You don't need any tool, you don't need a mixer, you don't need an oven. You can actually make this in less than 40 minutes. You'll be done with banana bread, and you can enjoy it with tea, coffee, a drink. Some people add butter to it. I've never tried adding butter to my own banana bread, but you can try it. So you can see how soft and how lush is looking. Look at the softness of this cake. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much.